Hello everyone, I am Advocate Madana Chandiran. I am going to present about a topic on anti-drug control with reference of juvenile. Nowadays, in our society, the children are committing various crimes, especially regarding the drugs. They are committing more and more crimes in our nation. Our former President of India and Missile Man of India told that children are only the backbone of our nation. But now this statement is becoming not true regarding the children. They are becoming weaker bone of our country because they are addicting to the narcotic drugs in our society and committing various crime in the society. How to control with the reference of juvenile? The main cause of the children is that during the children age they begin their parents and they watch whatever they are doing, the same thing the children will also do. Their attitude should be correct in the initial stage itself. Otherwise, it is difficult to correct their character in the society. Also, many NGOs are creating the awareness and rehabilitative centers to the juveniles to correct them in the society. Due to poverty is one of the main cause the juveniles are committing crimes. Especially in the case of Rajesh Kumar Singh versus the state, the court held that the 4 kg of the kilograms of the drugs from the minor is seized due to the poverty in the society. It is well organized gang of drug smugglers in our society. Also, in the similar age of the social position, in the children age, they are committing the crimes. When the juvenile the clash with rule have been slapped proceeding to the juvenile justice board, still the trial gets over, they send to examination home. Especially in the case of Muhammad Sakil Khan case, the bail had been moved under section 436 of the Criminal Procedure Code. The court rejected the bail and the Juvenile Justice Board against went to appeal to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court also rejected a bail in this particular case. For sake of pleasure, also the important cause the juvenile is committing the crime. For the purpose of enjoyment, they are consuming drugs for the sake of pleasure. Lack of awareness, the children are addicting to themselves because of the drug. In the society, the juvenile has a dishonor with the intention of the shaped by the civilization. After forming the network with the children's and lack of knowledge, they are getting into the drugs and learning bad things and destroying the society. Income also the main factor the juvenile is committing the crime, because drug abusers usually sell the drugs to the juveniles and make addict to themselves, and they cannot survive without drugs. That is the market strategy used by the drug users to consume the drugs. It is advantage to the drug abusers who is selling the drugs. Due to the family addicts, the children are becoming the drug addict. The main situation of the well-built condition of the civilization, the power of each group of people. Due to the family problems, the children are coming out from the home. In the broken down family, the kids will distress physically and mentally disturbed. They are addicting themselves. Due to the stepmother, the children was not taken care of the properly, so the children became addictive to the drugs. This is the main factor. They are coming out from the family and addicting to the drugs themselves. In the case of Amit Kumar vs. State, the court has taken a decision. The bail has been given to juvenile offender though he had committed a heinous offence. How to prevent these kind of activities in the society? Prevent infancy from attractive implicated within illegal or additional unfriendly action. Education is the main tool given by the parent, learning hold up and then early stage of protection. Also, Vivekananda used to say, education is the only tool to change the world. Without education, there is no proper tool to change the juveniles. Rising accessibility and make use of the family, counting the learning and gaining the knowledge for the juvenile. Also, what are the policies regarding the anti-drug control regarding the juvenile? The ideology of democracy should be given to them. According to the Scott Lilienfeld, juveniles are committing the crimes in the society because of the principle of vicarious liability. The education and development should be given by the government and the society only. They can change the world. Otherwise, it is difficult to correct themselves from the society. Juvenile Justice Act 2015. It is an important act to correct the juvenile, to complete the legal framework for the safeguard of rights of all children, whether found in inconsistency with act or kids in require of care and protection in our society. Ensure the appropriate care and security growth, treatment and social reintegration should be given to the children. The classification of offence should be mandatory of petty offences and heinous offences. The children between the age of 6 to 18 years. Compulsory registration of all child care institutions should be there, and the creation of juvenile justice fund should be maintained to correct them. What are the strategies adopted by the National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights? Media and social media should highlight relating the child related issues, and also facilitated the growth of state child rights protection. Increase the strong points of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, the grievous redressal mechanisms. Promotion of the child participation, monitoring of the implementation of juvenile justice and POCSO acts, getting dedicated the nodal officers appointed by the state government. Developed training modules for enhancing capacity along with sensitization of key administrators, timely issuance of guidance and follow up, developed information of cyber related issues. checking of performance of the acts. The higher officials personally inspect the juveniles and mapping of all children by the Childline India is mandatory. The report on statistical data of the child marriage should be given to the government record. Consultation of legal issues of child marriage should be mandatory. Status on child marriage for development and preventive strategies. Social audit of all child care institutions should be undertaken. All states should have victim compensation scheme for the benefit of victims. Recent criminal law amendment, the victim compensation scheme had been amended according to section 357A of CRPC. This is the main factor as of my opinion regarding the victim compensation scheme. Moving on to the conclusion, the anti-drug control is the more important to the children because they are connected to the person regarding the communal social vulnerabilities. The abuses are point to serve the relatives and group of people are to be supported. There has to be support come out from the drug control. According to the J.S. Verma committee recommended the juvenile homes in our nation. Also, establishment of child welfare committee and the juvenile justice board is mandatory to correct the juvenile back to the society, and they should change their attitude and mindset, and they have to set a goal in their life and to achieve in their life. According to Article 23 and 24 of Constitution of India, it is violation of fundamental right regarding the bonded labor and child trafficking. This is the important point because due to bonded labor and child trafficking, the children are becoming addicted to the narcotic drugs. What are the suggestions regarding the anti-drug control? The education is the one and only tool given to the youth about the danger of the drug and alcohol and build up their confidence building in the public skills in their life and create the awareness in the society. This is the important point. Establishment of more and more juvenile courts in our nation for the speedy proceedings because our GDP growth is depend upon our youth only, as said by former President of India Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. There are many juvenile laws of controlling them, though more and more laws should be established to prevent them and conduct the more and more training programs in the society to change the mindset of the juvenile. So, my opinion is that the children should be the future India of our country. The crime rate should be reduced regarding the juvenile by implementing various laws in our society because India is only a developing country. It has to become a developed country. It is in the hands of the children only. Only the crime should be punished and not the criminals. So, our future hands of the children should be protected by the laws. It is our responsibility to take care of them. Thank you for watching.